Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox this cute little car. So let's check the box. This is a metallic car made by car model. So let's take out the car. Now let's take out the car. So this is the car model and it is the white color Mercedes AMG G63, and this is a handmade logo. It has a very nice interior with 5 seats and a good dashboard, and the black lining is really amazing. And far above, the front side is very well detailed and amazing, and I even got a printed number plate. So if you like the video, please click on the like button, share my videos, tell me your review on this car in the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new videos, and thanks for watching my video, and comment me if you want an off-roading of this car.